In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom thumbnail for YouTube. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it too. So a thumbnail can literally make or break a video. I'm going to show you some examples of the thumbnails that we make for our videos. As you can see, there are several things that we try to consider. Number one is to have a very fun and expressive photo of the person that is, in this case, going to be talking in the video. As you can see right here, we have images of me smiling, being really happy, and kind of like expressing whatever it is that I'm going to share on the video. So that's going to be step number one, is to take a very clear and nice picture of yourself. And that's what we're going to use on Canva to create our thumbnail. Our team also uses symbols and different icons. For example, if we're talking about a specific brand, we try to incorporate that brand in our thumbnails. Like for example, right here, we use the YouTube logo. So you can give yourself like a small little example of how we try to make our thumbnails. But in today's video, we're going to be making one for you in Canva. In today's video, I am going to be using Canva Pro just because it has more features that I am going to be using for today's video. So I'm going to leave the link down below in case you guys need it. So to make our process a lot more simple, what I'm going to do is to search for a template. So I'm going to type right here on the search bar, YouTube thumbnail. You can scroll down, and as you can see, you will see different thumbnails that you can use for your own videos. These templates are actually really good. They have a clear picture of a person. They have big text. That's what we're going for. So just simply scroll down until you find a template that you like. Using a template is going to cut literally this whole process in half. So go ahead and scroll down and find a template that you like. I really like this template. I think it goes with the vibe of our channel, and I think I can really use it for today's video. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Customize Template. In case you want to find this exact template that I'm using, this is the name right here. You can copy and paste it on Canva, and there is a big chance that you're going to find it. So the first thing I'm going to do is to change the text. So I'm going to say something like how to create your own thumbnail. So this is pretty much perfect because it goes with the video. So I'm going to drag out the text. I'm going to fit it inside the color, and I'm going to make it smaller right here at the top where it says font size. Now that I have my text ready, remember to use something that is going to catch your audience attention or something that relates to the video. Like for example, today I'm explaining to you how to create your own thumbnail, and that's what I'm choosing to write on in it. For example, today I'm going to be teaching you how to create your own thumbnail. So I'm going to show that in my own thumbnail so you know what the video is about. But you don't always have to use your video title. You can use something catchy, but today we're going to be using that text. Now what I'm going to do is to change the color of the background of the text by simply clicking on it and selecting a new color. I really like pink, so I'm going to find pink colors. Okay, now that I changed the background of our text, I'm going to also edit the text itself. I can choose a different font by clicking right here at the top where it says font and picking a different one. In this image, the word thumbnail is going to be the most important text. I think I really have to give emphasis in the word thumbnail. So I'm going to select it, and I'm going to click on effects to give it a little bit more shadow. So I'm going to select the option shadow, and I'm going to increase it up with this little tool right here. I'm also going to pick a different color for the shadow. So I'm going to click right here, and I'm going to pick a color that is a little bit more vibrant. Okay, now that I have the text ready, I'm going to delete this creator's picture, and I'm going to upload my own. To do that, you're going to click on Uploads, then select Upload Files, and find the image that you wish to upload. Now that I have my image ready, I'm going to cut it just a little bit so I only get my face. Now that I have my image ready, I'm going to simply select it and click on Background Remover right here at the top. This is going to automatically remove our background. so we can move it and play around with the image a lot better. I'm gonna make it a little bit bigger so it's more attractive on the thumbnail. And once I have my image ready, I'm gonna select on Edit, and I'm gonna go to Effects, and I'm gonna select Shadows and then Glow. This is going to make your image literally glow and stand out. At the bottom, I'm gonna pick a different color, maybe white or pink. And as you can see, that gives our picture a small little glow at the bottom. Okay, I think our thumbnail is pretty much ready. All that is left is to change our background. To change your background, you simply have to select it. And what you're going to do is scroll down and select background. Canva is going to show you different options that you can use for your background. I recommend that you use a more plain background that allows your image to stand out. For example, gradient is a great option. Let's see how this one looks. I think this gradient background goes really well with our text, with my picture, with our font. So I'm just simply going to select it. And that's it. This is the final product of our thumbnail. I hope this video helped you. And if you guys have any questions, you can leave it down below.